Alright, so next on our to-do list will be application of our basic mathematical operations in fractions. Now, in our video to introduction to mathematics, we talked about the basic mathematical operations, and we said that they are addition and subtraction. We have multiplication and division. Alright, so we'll be looking at how these are applicable in fractions. So let's see addition and subtraction. Now the procedure of adding and subtraction, now not just in fractions, alright, but in mathematics as a whole, it's the same thing. Now in mathematics, addition and subtraction, they have equal strengths. It's just that they are like plus and minus. They are moving in opposite directions. Now, but their strength is basically the same. Now let's see. Now how do we add and how do we subtract fractions? Now we'll work with examples, okay? Because I believe that examples is what will make it clearer to us. So let's work with our first example. Let's work with 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5. Alright? Now I am adding this. Now how do we start adding? Now remember what we have above, the numbers we have above our divisional line, they are our numerators, right? And whatever we have below, they are our denominators. So the first thing to do is to draw the divisional line that our answer will bear. Alright? Now after that, I will go to the denominators of my fractions involved and look for their LCM. Now we treated LCM on our video to introduction in mathematics, so you can refer to that video, if you've forgotten or if you need to refresh your memory. Now we have 3 and 5, right? Now what is their LCM? The LCM of 3 and 5 is definitely 15. Okay? So after that, I will say 15 divided by 3. Now this is my first fraction, right? So I'll pick my LCM and divide it with the denominator of my first fraction. 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. And 5 times my numerator, which is 1, will give me 5. Plus 15 divided by 5 here will give me 3. Now 3 times my numerator. My numerator is 2, right? So 3 times 2 will give me 6. So 5 plus 6 definitely will give me 11 over 15. Now a proper fraction. Alright, so I can leave my answer in this form. So what if you have 7 over 2 plus 3 over 5 equal to? Now we are still adding, right? So 7 over 2 plus 3 all over 5. The first thing to do is to draw the fractional line or divisional line of our answer. Then after it, we'll look for the LCM of 2 and 5. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 5? It is 10. So I'll have 10. 10 divided by 2 give me 5. 5 times 7 definitely is 35. Plus 10 divided by 5 will give me 2, right? 2 times 3, my numerator will give me 6. Now 35 plus 6 will give us 41 all over 10. Now 41 over 10 is an improper fraction. And remember what we said about improper fractions. Our answer cannot or is not allowed to be in improper form. So what do? Now we need to make this improper form of improper fraction a proper fraction. How do we do that? By converting it to a mixed fraction. Alright? So 41 divided by 10 will give us 4. Remainder 1. So I'll have 4 whole number 1 all over 10. Now this is a mixed fraction and this is the proper form of this improper fraction. Alright. So let's see our third example. And now this our third example will be on subtraction. Now the first two we did was on addition. So let's say you have 2 over 3 minus 1 all over 7. Okay? Now it is the same procedure. The first thing to do is to write out the divisional line or fractional line of our final answer. So I'll look for the LCM of 3 and 7. The LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Alright? So 21 divided by 3 will give me 7. 7 times 2 will give me 14. Minus 21 divided by 7 will give me 3. 3 times 1 will give me 3. So this 14 minus 3 will give me 11 all over 21. Final answer. Okay? So basically that will be it on addition and subtraction operation. Now let's look at multiplication and division.